Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Loft blog reader questions about condo insurance, lease a factory, 5G map, electric car EV charging. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Here is the real estate news, and these are reader questions. Reader questions are some of the most helpful things in Los Angeles real estate because the LA Loft blog readers are the smartest and they ask the best questions and they tell us what they're actually doing. So we find out not only what people are thinking about, but what are they actually doing. Question: where can I find Teramachi, I think it's supposed to say Teramachi Homes in Little Tokyo, information? Well, answer is Teramachi is a senior condominium residential building for ages 55 and over. And there's some good deals in there right now that's significantly cheaper. If you like a more mature, quiet place, but in a super duper excellent location, then Teramachi Homes is it. If you don't mind that sort of a hospital architecture, it does not have the coolness. You got to make your own, apartment style condo unit cool with your furniture and decor, because the structure itself and the community is not that cool. The amenities are pretty good, but they're refurbishing them now, so it doesn't look as good. So that's one of the reasons why it's such a good deal right now to buy in that location. I had some clients that wanted to, but one of them was under 55, and they were not married, so they could not buy. Okay, next question. What is a loft? Well, I love that question. Well, the answer is, there's a couple answers. In downtown Los Angeles real estate, a loft is a residence that has been converted from a previously industrial or commercial building under the Los Angeles Adaptive Reuse Ordinance. But the word loft may also be used to refer to a mezzanine level room or other, open upstairs area, especially if one that has been added or one that is not, finished or enclosed. All right, and then you fashionable ladies will know what loft is regarding the retail store. How do I get condo insurance in downtown LA Historic District? And the answer is condo insurance is similar for all communities in California. It's usually required by lenders and stuff when you buy a condominium unit. So call your favorite insurance company or call Arroyo Insurance, one of our sponsors, at 800-628-7641 or visit www.arroyoins.com. That's ARROYOINS.com. And they serve downtown and all of California. It's funny because they are not gay, but they happen to put an ad in some gay media that I did before, so they still gave me the same gay ad. So you don't need to be gay or lesbian or transgender or anything else, because most of their clients are probably straight heterosexual people, but they certainly obviously are gay friendly. Okay, so next question. What are the rules at Alta Lofts about dogs, utilities included in the HOA, earthquake insurance, etc.? So the answer to this about Alta Lofts, any non-aggressive dog is okay. The dog must be gentle, not aggressive. We don't have a copy of the rules available. The seller pays to give the buyer the CC&Rs during escrow. The Alta HOA includes water, hot water, gas, trash, sewer, amenities. There's no earthquake insurance at Alta, and there's no earthquake insurance at most condos. Owners have to buy their own, and it's too expensive for most people also. That's the earthquake insurance. That's usually too expensive. Ask your insurance agent about condo owner's insurance and earthquake insurance. See Arroyo Insurance that I had just mentioned. Next question. What is 360 West Avenue 26? Well, that is Puerta del Sol Condos near downtown Los Angeles. It's actually just a few blocks from the LA Loft blog home here at Alta Lofts. And it's also right next to the Lincoln Heights metro station. So when you live at Puerta del Sol, the metro station gets extra convenient for you. Next question. How do I lease a factory in Los Angeles? Well, the answer is it depends on whether you want a real industrial factory or if you want an industrial style live-work loft like Factory Place, Toy Factory, Brewery Lofts, Alta Lofts, etc. So real factories, meaning industrial zoned buildings, are necessary for those who do noisy manufacturing, while live-work lofts have creature comforts like kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, and amenities. Next question. What is the Southern California HOA EV charging policy? I'm not sure I understand that 100%, but I think I do. The answer is condo associations are required by law to allow for electric car charging stations wherever practical. So basically, the condo buildings, condo associations, they need to let people put in electric car chargers, or they need to make some sort of arrangements. They need to allow car chargers in general, but there are exceptions to that rule. It's still, the details are still being hammered out, but that's basically what the law is now. Ask an attorney about any legal details. Where is a 5G map Los Angeles? Okay, question is 5G wireless mobile communications and data services is being installed in these towers. They're kind of unique towers. You can click on this link and you'll see what they look like. It's being installed in downtown Los Angeles and other LA neighborhoods. Communicated warnings that have been given by medical doctors and scientists about potential safety hazards of the new service, these towers. Here are some links to preliminary 5G coverage area maps, and they also link to more information, including the safety concerns that we talked about. By the way, I'm a very, very, very high-tech person, and I use more bandwidth, so I actually need 5G more than anyone, but I'm still bringing up these safety concerns because I love 5G. I love the internet. I'm on the internet 24 hours. I use more bandwidth than almost anybody that I know. But I also love safety. I love to not kill birds and bees, and I love to not kill other people, and I love to not be radiated any more than absolutely necessary. So that's why 5G, if you read it in my links, you'll hear me talk about that. And one of the issues is that no safety testing is required for these. That's right. No safety testing is required for these devices. So that's why we actually do need some safety testing. So now I'm not telling everyone to pull these things out and so they can be safety tested, but even though that might be reasonable, I think it's perfectly reasonable to keep installing them, but safety test them. Right? I think people can get on board with that. Okay, so get a free list of live-work factory-style lofts in Los Angeles. Fill out the online form, Industrial Loft and Condo Information Request, right here. It's very short, and that way you can get yourself your warehouse. That is it. Speaking of warehouses, here is Alta Lofts, which used to be a paint factory and paint warehouse. In 1925, it was called, what was it called? Fuller Paint Company is what it used to be called. Thanks for taking a look. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet of any loft, condo, or house is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for listening. You take care. Bye-bye.